Sanibonani, welcome.
Yes,
Hi, sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Do you remember Utirelo going all agro and disrespecting uVuyokazi? Njengoba yena wayemtholelana. Hayi. Njengoba kushilo Nkosi yami ukubana okwayenza uBhanda noPhiri kuyamenza. Hayi, uPhiri is in tears. uPhiri is in tears now ngoba lento ayenza kuBhanda asho.
Mama mayifona mntana mikwenzenjani ngithi angisakhoni athi ngizothandaza kuphethiwe ngoba emoyeni bengiphuke lo muntu njengamanje ngiwangivuka naye umuntu lo mbono wami awusekelayo.
Hayi. Njengoba nje nimbona Nkosi yami umtiro ziyambuyela, ziyamkhalela, ziyakhala ziku-loud speaker, i-volume iku-maximum, as you all can see ubana hayi what Mpumelelo did to uVuyokazi when she was introduced. Hayi, uMpumelelo is doing the same thing, nampile even worse compared to what Mpumelelo did to uVuyokazi when Utirelo was introduced. Now they've introduced uMahle and they've even paid ilobola Nkosi yami, and hayi Utirelo ziyamkhalela. Mpumelelo is not even bothered to even consult Utirelo ukubana amxelele ukubana this is the plan. Besicinga ukubana esithenjini the first wife okanye the first girlfriend, the current girlfriend has to be asked and has to be told first, kodwa hayi kaSibinde, hayi kaBhubezi nje. Maqeda lapho he is not even apologetic about it. Maza lapho azomhlalisa indaba yokuthi axolise ke nokubana hayi at least I didn't mean to something. It's like lento obuyifuna efonini yami uyitholile ngoba Utirelo. Find out for yourself efonini kaBhubezi. Masithi usathi uyayiphendla ifoni la wathola ukuthi uMpumelelo he is going to lobola uAmahle without her consent, without her permission. Hey guys, lo mjolo lo kaTirelo noMpumelelo akuyena umubango lo. At least kumubango sasibona uAzwindini wayeqala acele uSusan ukuthi hey ngifuna ukuphinda nitshade kwakhona. What do you guys think about what is Mpumelelo doing to Tirelo? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.